Allah took different parts of the earth and He molded it into clay, and from there was water added to that until that clay turned dark and black. And then that clay, Allah fashioned it into the form of the human being. And now when the clay is becoming dry, it's taking a different color. And the color that it takes eventually is the color of wheat. And that's why Adam a.s. got his name from, because Adam is from Udum, which is wheat, and his color was the color of wheat, right? Light brown kind of color. So he took from the white rocks, he took from the black rocks, he took from the brown soil, he took from the red, he took all these different colors, right? From the yellow sort of sandy type of ground material that you get. Allah took all of that. This is all these different parts that Allah took. Why? There's a reason. Allah created a creation called the Ruh, which is the spirit. He created a creation from which, if He blows, or if from that Ruh something transfers into the clay, that molded clay that is dead, that has got not just a shape and a form, if that goes in there, then it allows that person to become alive and to move. So suddenly Adam a.s. found himself alive. Now you can imagine what's happening to Iblis. Is getting even more, the jealousy and all that is really kicking in, right? And so he's there, standing, watching, observing, and thinking, okay, what's going to come next? Now what happens next is, Allama Adam al-asma'a kullaha. Allah then taught Adam a.s. the names, or all the names. Now what does it mean by all the names? Here again, Mufassirun have debated. Then there's lengthy pages of what are these names that was taught them. Whether they're names of Allah, or are they the names of the angels? That's one quotation. Are these names of certain things that the angel never knew of? Or are they things that the angels also knew of? Because Allah then challenged the angels to try and say the names of these things. What were these things? So according to the Mufassirin, a dominant thing seems to be that there were things on the earth to do with becoming a vicegerent, to becoming a khalifa, to now reigning the earth in a way that has never been done before. Because the angels had seen the jinns and how they lived on the earth. So they didn't, what did the jinns do? The jinns couldn't build buildings. The jinns didn't know what buildings were and how to make monuments and so on. The jinns did not know, and they did not need material things to live. The jinns, they didn't need material things to live. So taking a seed, putting a seed into the ground, and then the seed sort of growing and then cultivating it, and then the tree grows, and then taking that tree, cutting it up, making planks of wood, then from that plank of wood to make something with 4 legs, that's a table, to make something else that's 4 legs and that's a chair, and to sit on it at a table, that is something jinns never knew. That's something that jinns never knew. Things that a human being will be able to do. As a human being, inside your mind, you've got this brilliant ability to innovate. And this thing of innovation was not in the jinns. And this is what really made Iblis jealous. You can imagine the feelings that are going in Iblis. So Allah first said to the angels, He said, "Oh angels," He said, "tell me what these things are." And the angels didn't know. If the angels looked at a table, they wouldn't know what that table is. They wouldn't know what chair is. They wouldn't know, a house, and inside the house, they wouldn't know that. The angels wouldn't know, to make a building to govern people or whatever. They wouldn't know any of this. They wouldn't know the difference. Allah said, "Okay, go and tell me." La ilma lana. We don't have the knowledge, except for the knowledge that you have endowed us and you've given us. Then Allah tells Adam a.s. says, "Oh Adam, now ambihum bi asma." Tell me what are these concepts, these names here. So Adam a.s. said, that's the table, or that's the chair. I'm not saying he said table. I'm not saying he said chair. Whatever those things was, he said that's that, that's this, that's that, that's this. And they were absolutely amazed. Now even Iblis was like, I don't even know what this is. And this thing Allah's created, He knows all of this.
Are you tired of all these annoying ads on YouTube? Are you worried that a haram video might pop up? Well, the One Islam TV app is here to solve these problems, inshallah. The One Islam TV app is 100% free of any ads and is safe to browse for your peace of mind. Watch or listen to lectures and lessons while you work, rest, or drive with your device switched off. Watch videos on demand or download videos and watch offline. Watch hundreds of high-quality produced Islamic reminders, Quran learning videos, stories of the prophets, and so much more. 2 to 4 new videos uploaded daily, inshallah. One Islam TV is 100% run and owned by Muslims, which means a small amount you pay for your subscription is a sadaqah jariyah, continuous charity for you, as we use the funds raised to continue producing more beneficial videos and reminders, inshallah. The One Islam TV app is now available on Apple devices, Apple TV, Android devices, Android TV, Amazon Fire TV, and Roku, so you can watch on most devices and smart TVs. Download now for a free 7-day trial. May Allah reward you for supporting our work.